Okay. Alright. Hello and welcome back to another video. In the last video, I showed you guys my Land Cruiser that I made it all the way to Canada. Over there, covered in snow. In this video, I want to show you this. This also made it all the way here. So this is my 1995 Toyota Supra. I got it a few years ago. I did a couple videos on it, a lot of videos actually. Buying it and driving it and trying to fix a few things. We might have the cheapest 2JZ Land Supra in the world. This one does have a lot of problems. Like this year that was used to cover it because the glass doesn't go up. That's not good. Tighter than I anticipated it was going to be, but when you buy something as cheap as this is, especially a 90s Toyota, there are a few things that you have to expect. Kind of like half a spoon on the passenger seat. In the cockpit, and we're just looking around and things are a bit rattly. That opens up like that. Issues on the bodywork, and it's not the cleanest car out there. There are Supra selling for hundreds, 200s of thousands of dollars, but this one is nowhere close. And this is really what I wanted to get here, because the Toyota Supra is one of my all-time dream cars. I've known and loved this car even before the Fast and Furious days. It's been snowing a bit here in Canada, and I'm doing this New Year thing where I want to have a video every other week, so I thought I'll do a quick video on this, show you guys, you know, kind of the car. You guys have seen it, but talk about some of the things that were broken during transport and all the things that have been broken since it got here. Rivets that weren't done all too well. The hose paint work was not done too well. All of this is cracking. All of this area over here, even these are bad. These are all old. They would have looked good at some point, but not anymore. All of these need to be all redone. More rivets of some kind that needs to come out. This, I don't really like that. I don't really like these. This is cracked. This is also falling apart. Definitely new headlights. What's a crack on the bumper? I mean, this is not like, all of these, not too good. When this one came up to buy, I jumped at it because it was under $10,000. I was able to liquidate some cars. I think I sold a Honda Odyssey at the time and a Honda Civic that I had to be able to roll that cash into this one. And I've had it ever since. When the opportunity came to import it, I had to import it. So I was able to import two cars because it was a 40-foot container, and that's why this baby came out. So the thing that was broken from Nigeria, this car needs a lot of work, a ton of love. There's not going to be a lot of videos, I'll be quite honest, on it till like April. That's when I'm going to start doing like the repairs, buying the parts, getting stuff done, at least till it starts getting warmer. For now, I've had it covered since it's got here. It's going to need it's going to need paint. It's going to need a lot of things. The one thing that I've gotten is the window. If you guys recall, in Nigeria, I couldn't get the window for it. I tried a few different options, but I couldn't get the window. This door was broken in shipping. I removed the door card here to see if I could get this window replaced. I bought a replacement window for it. Oh, that I didn't realize that came off. What is that? Is that one of the speakers? Yeah, that's the speaker. I didn't realize that came out. That's not good. You see, this is even oof. The car has lived a hard life. I've got the window for it. I'm gonna be replacing the window. I was gonna do it last week, but then it started snowing and I'm like, you know what, forget about it. I concentrated on getting the Land Cruiser kind of up and running and registered. They are both now registered in my name here. I'm super excited about that. So this was kind of broken during shipping. The door, I don't know why it's not closing. I'm gonna have to spend some time to figure that out. This was also broken during shipping. I haven't gotten it running since it's gotten back home, so maybe in the next few days, sometime this week, I'll try to see if I can get it running. Okay, so in the front here, the bumper was completely messed up during transport, customs. Even this guy completely messed up. But in hindsight, the thing that is cracked the most is the body kit, and I said I want to get rid of the body kit. The big gripe I've always had is this hood. I would like an OEM hood. Something a bit more OEM. I've already seen the lights on Facebook Marketplace for around $300, but None of this is going to really happen till the spring. This has remained broken because I'll start to order the parts next month when I start to get a little liquid. For the meantime, I'm going to try to get a battery, put the glass back in so I can wind it all up. The inside, oh my god, the inside needs a lot of love. I'm probably going to go to an upholstery shop, get them to do like an Alcantara velvety top on the dash to cover up the gripe. Clean up the interior, get the buttons for the climate controls. I saw a TRD steering wheel that I'm really thinking about for $400. I might get that. But I really want the interior looking really nice. I like a nice interior in cars. If you know me, I want the interior to look good. OEM, not over the top, but clean and good, and that way I can really enjoy the car. The outside really doesn't matter all that much. If the inside is nice, I'd really enjoy it, and it drives good as well. So this is why I'm gonna really need you guys' help. Sourcing parts have been very difficult. Generally, I look online, Rock Auto, but it's been difficult to get the parts that I need. Lights and stuff I can try to source on Facebook Marketplace, but I need like a site. I've joined a few Facebook Supra groups. I need a site that I'm going to be able to get the parts for this car. So if you know somewhere I can look and check, please help me out. That'll be very helpful. Wheels, I'm going to try to get some Toyota Lexus wheels to run for the meantime. I really like this, but I know they're going to need like resurfacing and all that. So I'm going to get some temporary wheels and tires that I can run March, April to get it kind of running and all of that. The engine bay is a complete nightmare. If I can open this right now, complete nightmare. A lot has to be done here. I need a new radiator. I need a complete clean. I need to get rid of that horrible looking thing. Get a new intake. Do all of the fluid changes. I just put some coolant in, like the Land Cruiser when it came. I put some coolant in here. All the fluids have to go. Complete wash. And my friends have been telling me, you know, I should do like a turbo thing. I'm not going to go all out right now. I'm going to take my time, build it up one step at a time, and enjoy the cars. I have a few other cars that will need some work in 2025, so I'm going to take my time. The first thing I'm going to do will be try to get it running. If I can get it running and running well with the suspension and all that stuff changed and the interior looking nice, then I can take it out on night drives, maybe take it in New York, who knows. But I was taking a closer look at this. These are all like Toyota parts. So most of the things here are OEM. I'm gonna try to keep it OEM. Like I said, get rid of all these body kits. Get the interior done. Maybe do a paint job or a wrap. I want it blue or red. So again, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment sections. I need help with this car, and I need a lot of help on the internet because I'm a novice to this car. I love it. I want to enjoy it, and yeah, it's here. But then that's the rant. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.